Alright guys, been a while since I've been behind the camera, but today we're going to do an unboxing of my new Yamaha mixer. Let's get on with it.
Donkey's breath.
Alright, so it's pretty obvious today. You probably clicked on this because, you want to see this product unboxed, the MG06. This is the version without all of the fancy effects and stuff. For my use case, I don't need them at all. We're replacing this old Berhemscher or whatever unit. You'll see in a moment. But let's just continue. Oh, we get some drawings. Cardboard. Yes, I had a peek in here that didn't actually come like this. Boom. Here's the unit itself. Put that down for a second. What else you get in the box? Let me guess. AC adapter. North American plug. Perfect, because we're in North America. Look at this. Look at it. Ugh. Alright, cool. That's that. Nothing else in the box. Don't need those. Sorry. Bad framing skills there. Oh, this blue is so real. I love it. Oh, it just feels beautiful. Alright. Time to hook her up here. Along with that, since we now have XLR outputs and we also have studio monitors that take the XLR standard, we're moving to XLR. Big improvements all around, guys. Alright, so here's the fun part. Boom, power in. I like that connection way better. Power. It has a power button. Oh, I'm liking that already. So we can't move everything over to the XLR standard yet because I'm still my hobbyist DJing here at home. Still using the DDJ SB1, like the original. I'm kind of waiting for the SX3 to finally become a thing because there's an SB3, there's an XS3. I'm just waiting for an SR3 and then I will be real happy. So we're still going to use that as an input. And bing bada boom, let's whip out some XLR cables and I'm just going to poof these in right quick. And we're going to give her a little listen to. Oh man, and today is tomorrow, is yesterday, was today. Well, I've used it for a day now. Beautiful, beautiful device. And yeah, so I realized I never really actually looked that in depth in this until I got it, and now it's just amazing me. These XLR kit, I had suspicions, but they also double as quarter-inch jacks. So this is what I was actually going to use. The advantage of the 6-channel was. So yeah, I thought I had to wait till I got a better mixer that had XLR support, but I don't, and I had all the cables for it. So it's just these are set up in stereo. Channel 1 and channel 2 are set up in stereo for my mixer. Use this master volume on mixer as a volume adjust because of course they're independent, so you want to match them once and let them go. And then we got my PC input, then we got my turntable input. Headphones levels run into this jack, which is like an auxiliary speaker system I have out in a different area. And then my two main outputs of my XLR that go to my sub and then each to my monitors. That is the current lowdown down here. And it's just... So in my previous setup here, this was the mixer I was using. 5-channel, which means I did not use a single 1 mic channel, and I had to switch RCAs down the line between my turntable and my turntable. Right? So that was always annoying, but now it's just boom, boom, different. There's a different look at everything here. All the I/O. And I'm just a little bit crazy, but she does sound a little bit better. So why don't we find some nice non-copyright music to bump with this thing? Alright, sorry for the bad camera skills, but anyways. Here we got Serato DJ. Bing bada boom. This mixer actually puts off some static that you can hear. And my other two inputs don't. I had this trouble before. That's why I want to get a new mixer, because I know the 5-volt rail on my motherboard gets a lot of noise from my graphics card and my computer, and I can pick it up through this, and I have a ground loop isolator off the motherboard for its input, so it's clean. The turntable is clean, but anyways.
Aside from my soul,
Camera. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, look at you right in the eyes. I don't really know what else to show you / talk about this mixer. I'm not gonna like pump the spec sheet and just kind of give you a little feel for it. I can answer some technical questions. I will try and answer all questions, any inquiries. I got this for $129 Canadian in 2018. Yes, I'm Canadian. So that's like $100 American. Not bad, not bad. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. Any questions? Leave them in the comments.